Good morning, everyone. This is Dan Hill, your investor coach for Virginia, with another installment of Dan Hill TV. On the camera today in our Richmond office is Kim, my excellent marketing assistant. I want to throw a few numbers at you. First one is 30 to 20. I'll give you a couple of seconds to think about that. That was the score of the William & Mary game as we defeated Delaware this weekend. And we remain number 5 in the polls. And we take on number 2 Villanova this week, and it's going to be nationally televised. So that's a big event for us here at William & Mary, for my alumni tribe. And Kim's team, unfortunately, Old Dominion University, which is in its first year of football, just lost their very first game. So that was sort of a historical event. They were 3-0, but they lost their first game. It was a close one, but they're doing very well. So we're proud of what's happening so far. We're 4-0 and looking forward to a pretty good season. I'll keep you guys updated on that. Switching to some numbers in the market. 1 year ago today, probably a distant memory for most, but the market was down 778 points on the Dow, 929.08. So you've probably seen the news. It's been a year since all the fiascos and bankruptcies that went down on Wall Street. But the market persists and steams ahead. Although the headlines in the paper here, experts warn of market correction. And if you read this article, and I'm going to give you the highlights of it, it says after a month of third quarter, as the month and third quarter draw near an end, the U.S. stock market is poised for another double-digit advance. Though a slew of analysts say trends could signal a correction. Could. Further down the article it goes, 3 down days for equities combined with some mildly disappointing home sales and durable goods sales have raised concerns that a market correction may be due. Sounds like market timing to me, and those of you that have tuned into Dan Hill TV know we don't believe in that market timing. And another thing we don't believe in is stock picking, and here's the reason why. Here's 2 experts at the very end of this article in 2 consecutive paragraphs. The first guy says, we are beginning to see some rotation out of financials and into some more defensive sectors. And the next guy right below him says, we are advising long-term investors to get into financials. So these are 2 experts that are quoted in the paper, and one says it's time to get out of financials, one says it's time to get into financials. We don't believe in stock picking, and that's the reason why, because nobody knows what sector, what stock, when to get in the market, when to get out of the market. So we're going to keep pounding that message home, as those of you who have tuned in have heard. So no market timing, no stock picking, broad diversification, prudent investing. That's how you become successful. Another episode of Dan Hill TV. Over and out. Have a great weekend.